welcome back to yet another video. I am Tsholo Phoka. On this video I'm going to be doing this fabulous twist outs that you can do for any occasion. It's a low manipulation style. Do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button as well as the notification button to be notified of every time I post a new video, and let's get straight into this quick video. For this video, I'm going to be using some clips. I'm also going to be using the Perfect Touch Curl Defining Mousse and a comb. I'm doing this twist out on freshly washed hair. My hair is still damp but not too wet. I'm still going to wet it because to use the mousse, your hair has to actually be wet. I'm going to part my hair into sections just to make it easier for me to do the twist, and then we're going to start twisting the hair. To start twisting, I'm gonna take a small section and then I'm gonna wet that section with water. I'm going to put a bit of mousse onto my hand, then I'm going to apply onto my hair. To do this twist out, I'm gonna first start by braiding my hair at the top just to make sure that it doesn't loosen, and then at the bottom, that is when I will start twisting the hair. For now, I'm doing a braid. And then now I'm just gonna separate the hair and start twisting, as you can see in the video. And so now I'm just gonna repeat all these twists all throughout my hair. And I'm done with the twist. This is how they'll look like. I'm just gonna use some pins, which I will use to secure the twist onto my hair and to make sure that they do not shrink too much. and they should look like this at the end, all pinned up. And then I'm just gonna put on my headscarf and wait for the twists to dry, and when they are dry we'll just undo the twists to do our twist out. So now the twists are dry and they are looking so shiny, so I can't wait to untwist them and to show you the twist out. I'm going to be using this olive oil just to oil my hands so that I do not create a lot of frizz on the twist out. To undo the twist out, you're gonna pull it and then you're going to start separating it from the ends of the hair and then just roll it out. When I get to the braided area, I'm just gonna separate it carefully as to not create a lot of frizz. And there we go, one down and many more to go. So now I am done undoing the twists. Now I'm just going to separate the twist more just to give it more volume and also just to make it an afro twist out hairstyle. When I separate the hair more, I am gentle. I am not being rough with the hair and I'm separating it where it wants to separate and just to create more volume but also keeping that definition. Now I have separated all of the twists and I'm just gonna fluff my hair out, and I'm going to use a comb to close the lines on my hair and also to give that hair volume. I'm just gonna keep teasing my hair with the comb until I get the desired volume and look that I want from the twist out, and also when the lines are all closed. So guys, do leave a comment if you like this twist out, and if you're gonna try it, do send me your pictures. I would love to see them and repost them on my social media pages. Do also leave a comment on the favorite product you love to use to do your twist out, and maybe I'll try them. So these are the final results of the twist out. Thank you for watching this video and see you on the next one. Goodbye.